Okay students, class 11th mathematics CBSE. Today we will discuss the trigonometric functions of multiple angles. Okay, and in previous video or in previous class we have already discussed the trigonometric functions of the sum and difference of two numbers. Okay, I will recapitulate that video also. And in that video we have discussed sine of x plus y, that is sine of x cos of y plus cos of x sine of y, and sine of x minus y, that is sine of x cos of y minus cos of x sine of y. And then we discussed cos of x plus y, that is cos of x cos of y minus sine of x sine of y, and cos of x minus y, that is cos of x cos of y plus sine of x sine of y. Then we have discussed tan of x plus y, that is tan x plus tan y upon tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y. And then lastly we discussed the tan x minus y, that is tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x tan y. Okay, and today we will discuss the trigonometric functions of the multiple angles, that is we will discuss sine 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a, sine 3a, cos 3a, tan 3a, and some a plus b formulas and cd formulas. Okay, means sum of two trigonometric functions formulas and multiple of two trigonometric formulas also we will discuss in this video. Okay, so let us start with the multiple angle of 2a, trigonometric functions of the angles 2a. Okay, trigonometric functions of angles 2a, 2 times of a, that is sine of 2a, sine of 2a, that is sine of 2x. So sine of 2x is equals to sine of x plus x. Sine of 2x can be written down as sine of x plus x. Now here we will apply the formula sine x plus y. Sine x plus y is equals to sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. Okay, so sine x cos x, sine x cos x, so this is equals to 2 sine x cos x. So sine 2x is equals to 2 sine x cos x. Okay, now we will discuss more trigonometric formulas. Cos 2x, cos 2x equal to cos of x plus x. Cos 2x can be written down as cos of x plus x. So this is equals to cos of x cos of y minus sine of x sine of y. Okay, and in place of x and y both are the same variable, that is x. Okay, so cos x minus sine x. So this is equals to cos square x minus sine square x, and this is the formula of cos of 2x. Okay, so sine 2x equals to 2 sine x cos x, cos 2x equal to cos square x minus sine square x. Now we will discuss tan 2x. So tan 2x is equals to tan of x plus x. Tan 2x equals to tan of x plus x, that is equals to tan x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x multiplied by tan x. Okay, tan x plus y using the formula of tan x plus y, and in place of x and y replace x. Okay, so tan x plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x multiplied by tan x, and this is tan 2x, and tan 2x is equals to 2 tan x upon tan x plus tan x, tan x plus tan x, that is 2 tan x, 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. So this is the third formula, that is tan 2x. Okay, so sine 2x, cos 2x and tan 2x we have already discussed. Okay, now we will find the various forms of this cos 2x. Now we will find the various forms of cos 2x. Cos 2x is equals to cos square x minus sin square x. So cos 2x is equals to cos square x minus sin square x. Okay, we will start from here. Change the cos square x in sin square x. 1 minus sin square x minus sin square x. This is cos 2x. Okay, so 1 minus 2 sin square x cos 2x equals to. So 2 sin square x is equals to 1 minus cos 2x, and sin square x is equals to 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. Okay, so sin square x is equals to 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. Okay, remember this formula also, sin square x in terms of cos 2x. Okay, now from this again, let us cos 2x equals to, let's change the sin square x into cos square x. Firstly we have changed the cos square x into sin square x. Now change the sin square x into cos square x. We will again have the formula of cos square x in terms of cos 2x. Okay, so cos 2x is equals to cos square x minus 1 minus cos square x. Means cos 2x is equals to cos square x minus 1 minus cos square x, 2 cos square x minus 1. Okay, and 2 cos square x is equals to 1 plus cos 2x. 2 cos square x equal to 1 plus cos 2x, and cos square x is equals to 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. Okay, so cos square x equal to 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. Remember this formula also. So this one and this one, these are the two different form of the cos 2x, or we can say that converting sin square x into cos 2x and cos square x into cos 2x using the formula sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 and cos square x equal to 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. Okay, now we will find the formula of sin 2x and cos 2x in terms of tan x. All these are important identities. Okay, so don't forget these. These are also important part of the trigonometric identities. Okay, that is why I am explaining this to you. Okay, so now we will convert sin 2x and cos 2x in terms of tan x. Okay, now I will convert sin 2x and cos 2x in terms of tan x. Okay, so sin 2x is equals to, you know, sin 2x equal to 2 sin x cos x. Okay, sin 2x equal to 2 sin x cos x. Now there is 1 at the denominator. There is 1 at the denominator of this. Okay, so sin 2x can be written down as 2 sin x cos x divided by 1, that is sin square x plus cos square x. Okay, so 2 sin x cos x divided by sin square x plus cos square x. Now divide numerator and denominator of this, numerator and denominator of this by cos square x. Okay, so divide by the 2 sin x cos x, divide it by the cos square x, and again sin square x plus cos square x divided by the cos square x. Okay, so this is equals to 1 cos with 1 cancel, 1 cos 2 tan x, 2 tan x at the numerator, and this is sin square x upon cos square x plus cos square x upon cos square x. So this is equals to 2 tan x upon tan square x plus 1. Okay, so this is the formula of sine 2x in terms of tan x. Okay, so this is the sine 2x in terms of tan x. Sine 2x equal to 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. Okay, now we will convert cos 2x in terms of tan x. So cos 2x is equals to cos square x minus sine square x. Now there is 1 in the denominator. Add the denominator of the given function 1, and again converting 1 into sine square x plus cos square x. So this is cos square x minus sine square x upon sine square x plus cos square x. Now dividing numerator and denominator both by cos square x, we will have cos square x minus sine square x upon cos square x divided by sine square x plus cos square x divided by cos square x. So this is equals to cos square x upon cos square x minus sine square x upon cos square x in numerator, and in denominator sine square x upon cos square x plus cos square x upon cos square x. So this is equals to 1 minus tan square x upon tan square x plus 1. Okay, so this can be write down as cos 2x is equals to cos 2x equal to 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Okay, and sin 2x is equals to 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. Sin 2x is equals to, okay, so sin 2x equal to 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x, and cos 2x equal to 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Okay, so these are important formulas, these are important conversion also, means how to convert sin 2x in terms of tan x and cos 2x in terms of tan x. Okay, so using these formulas you can convert sin 2x into tan x and cos 2x into tan x. Okay, now the trigonometric functions of angle 2a are completed. Okay, now we will take the trigonometric functions of the angle 3a, means 3 times of the angle. Let us take the 3 times of the angle a. 3 times of the angle a, that is sin 3x cos 3x, sin 3x or cos 3x, tan 3x, etc. Okay, so 3a, 3 times of the angle, sin 3x, so sin 3x. Okay, now what is the, I can say this is identity. What is the identity of sin 3a? Okay, or how we can change sin 3x? So this can be write down as sin 3x is equals to sin x plus 2x. Okay, sin 3x can be write down as sin x plus 2x, and this is equals to sin x cos of 2x plus cos of x sin of 2x. Okay, sin a plus b, sin x plus y, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Okay, x is equals to x and y is equals to 2x. So sin x cos 2x plus cos x sin 2x. Now write down the cos 2x and sin 2x. So sin 2x is equals to, sin 2x is equals to 2 sin x cos x, and cos 2x is equals to, cos 2x is equals to 2 sin square x minus 1. 1 minus 2 sin square x. 1 minus 2 sin square x. here, we will have sin x into 1 minus 2 sin square x plus cos x into sin 2x, that is 2 sin x cos x. Okay, so this is equals to sin x minus 2 sin cube x plus 2 sin x into cos square x, that is 1 minus sin square x. Okay, cos square x equal to 1 minus sin square x. So this is equal to sin x minus 2 sin cube x plus 2 sin x minus 2 sin cube x. 2 sin x plus sin x, 3 sin x minus 2 2 4 4 sin cube x. This is sin 3x. So sin 3x equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Okay. So this is the identity. This is the identity, or this is the conversion of sin 3x in sin x. In sin x and sin cube x. From this we can also find the formula of sin cube x. From this is important identity to find the sin cube x. Okay. So from this 4 sin cube x, 4 sin cube x is equals to 3 sin x minus sin 3x, and sin cube x is equals to 3 sin x minus sin 3x upon 4. Okay, so this one is also important identity. Okay, remember all these identities in sequence, or as you can learn. Now we will find the identity for cos 3x. Okay, cos 3x. So cos 3x is equals to, how to find the identity for cos 3x. Cos 3x is equals to cos of x plus 2x. Okay, 3x can be write down as x plus 2x. Okay, now cos a plus b is equals to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Okay, and cos x into cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, and sin 2x is equals to again 2 sin x cos x. Okay, so this is cos x into cos 2x, that is 2 cos square x minus 1 minus sin x into sin 2x, that is 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x. Okay, so this is equals to 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 cos x into sin square x, that is 1 minus cos square x. Okay, sin square x equal to 1 minus cos square x. Now simplifying this, we will have 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 cos x plus 2 cos cube x. So 2 cos cube x, 4 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 cos x minus 3 cos x. This is cos 3x. So cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. This is the identity for cos 3x. Means conversion of cos 3x into cos x. Means conversion of 3 angles, 3 times of angle into single angles, that is angle A. Conversion of 3A into A. Conversion of 3x into x. Okay, so conversion of cos 3x into cos x is this. Now from this identity again we can find the cos cube x. Okay, so we can find the cos cube x. For cos cube x is equals to cos 3x plus 3 cos x, and cos cube x is equals to cos 3x plus 3 cos x divided by 4. Okay, so this is the identity of cos 3x also. Identity of cos 3x also. This can sometimes ask in exams, that prove that cos 3x equal to 3 cos x plus cos 3x divided by 4. Okay, so this is the proof of cos 3x also. Now tan 3x. Now tan 3x is tan 3x trigonometric functions of 3a. Trigonometric functions of 3a, tan 3a. Trigonometric functions of 3 times of the angle. Now tan 3a. Tan 3a equals to tan 3a means tan 3x is equals to tan of x plus 2x. This is equals to tan of x plus tan of 2x divided by 1 minus tan of x into tan of 2x. Okay, tan x plus y using the identity of tan x plus y, that is tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y. Okay, now this is equals to tan x into plus tan 2x, and tan 2x is equals to 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. So using this identity here, 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x upon, in denominator 1 minus tan x into tan 2x, that is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Okay, so using the identity of tan 2x, that is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Now simplifying this, taking the LCM as 1 minus tan square x, we are having tan x into 1 minus tan square x plus 2 tan x upon 1 minus, again taking the LCM, 1 minus tan square x. 1 minus tan square x, so after multiplying 1 minus tan square x, or simplifying this, minus 2 tan x into tan x, 2 tan square x. Okay, this LCM will cancel this. Okay, so finally this is equals to tan x minus tan cube x plus 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x minus 2 tan square x. Okay, so finally solving this, we will have, after solving this, we will have tan 3x is equals to 3x. This is equals to tan x plus 2 tan x, 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay, so tan 3x equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. This is the identity of tan 3x, or conversion of tan 3x into tan x. Okay, so this is the conversion of tan 3x into tan x, or what we can say, this is the identity for tan 3x. Okay, now the trigonometric functions of 3 times of the angle has completed. Okay, now we will find the sum of 2 trigonometric functions, that is sin a plus cos a, sin a plus sin a, cos a plus cos a, sin a minus sin a, cos a minus cos a. Okay, so let us wipe out this. We will have the identity for sin a plus sin b, sin x plus sin y. Okay, so sin of x plus y is equals to, we know that sin of x cos of y minus cos of x sin of y. Okay, equation number first, and then sin of x minus y is equals to sin of x cos of y minus cos of x sin of y. Equation number second. Okay, any problem? I think no problem. Okay, you know these two identities from very very inception, okay, from very beginning of this chapter, of this video also. Sin x plus y equal to this and cos x, sin x minus y is equal to this. Now adding first and second. Adding first and second. Okay. Adding first and second. We are having the identity for sin A plus sin B. Okay. We are having the identity for sin A plus sin B using these two identities. When we add these, sin x plus y plus sin x minus y is equals to, this will cancel this, we will have 2 sin of x cos of y. Okay, 2 sin of x cos of y. Now let us x plus y is equals to a and x minus y is equals to b. Okay, after solving this, we will have x is equals to a plus b upon 2 and y is equals to a minus b upon 2. Okay, so putting x plus y is equals to a, x minus y equal to b, x is equals to a plus b upon 2 and y equal to a minus b upon 2 in above equation, in this equation. Okay, in this equation we will have sin of a plus sin of b is equals to 2 sin of a plus b upon 2 cos of a minus b upon 2. So this is the one identity, that is sin a plus sin b. Sin a plus sin b equal to 2 sin a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. Now some more identities of the same pattern, that is sin a minus sin b, cos a plus cos b, cos a minus cos b are also there. So let us have a look at these. Okay, you can do the proof of all other identities like this. Okay, I have proved the one of the identity. Okay, now you can prove other identities at your own. Okay, so sin a plus b is equals to sin a plus sin b is equals to, I have just proved 2 sin of a plus b by 2 cos of a minus b by 2. I have just proved. Okay, now what is sin a minus sin b? Sin a minus sin b is equals to 2 cos a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2, and then cos a plus cos b. Cos a plus cos b equal to 2 cos of a plus b by 2 cos of a minus b by 2. Okay, and then cos a minus cos b is equals to minus 2 sin a plus b by 2 and sin a plus a minus b by 2. Okay, so these are the 4 identities. Okay, I have proved only one, that is first identity, and other identities you can prove at your own. Okay, so now we are having the identities for multiplication of trigonometric functions. Okay, like sin x into sin y or sin a into sin b. Okay, so I am writing out these. Now let us have the look at other identities. That is, these identities are also known as CD identity. CD identity means in these identity trigonometric functions are in multiple form, in product form. Okay, so now sin of a plus b is equals to sin of a cos of b plus cos of a sin of b. Okay, and sin of a minus b is equals to sin of a cos of b minus cos of a sin of b. Equation first, equation second. So adding first and second sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b equal to 2 sine a cos b. Okay, so this is the first identity. Okay, first identity means 2 sine a cos b can be write down as sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. Okay, 2 sine a cos b can be write down as sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. Okay, so other three identities are also there. Okay, so other identities are 2 cos a sine b is equals to sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b. 2 cos a cos b is equals to cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b, and finally 2 minus 2 sine a sine b is equals to cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b. Okay, so these are 4 identities. These identities are known as CD identities, and the identities just I have told you recently, or that are known as a plus b identity, as there are the sum of two trigonometric functions, that is sine a plus sine b, and here the two trigonometric functions are in product form, sine a into sine b or sine a into cos b, just like this. Okay, so these are the trigonometric identities. Okay, these are all the trigonometric identities I have told you. Okay, now you have to learn these identities. You have to learn. Although I have told you the proof of all the identities also. Okay, so learn these identities. Whenever we have to apply these, we have to apply directly. Means just like what is the identity for sine 2x, then sine 2x is equal to 2 sine x cos x. What is the identity for cos 2x? Cos square x minus sine square x. Okay, so learn all these identities directly. Okay.